chair of the committee, no, a very soft, expressive opinion. But you see, this is an area diplomacy so what they say enyen tokwa na ekokun ho adwen na ye den ye kire ntinye ntientie mu mpa nka obetientie mu no na be kire say bia sebi unim nyansa na say so they say that is his posture the character the traits are not
no but he has to control it
but no I'm trying to make sense here.
Sure.
You see,
I mean you should understand some of these things.
I understand
but we have three arms of government, the executive, the judiciary and the legislator. When we are then, they are legislated. They are making laws for us. LGBT sense na discussion musa. So mukwache samra no. A diplomatic environment and to kwan ye den ye ko honum. Nti you be no a chair na say even a person is very softer. You need to accord him with that respect. And I mean, I will blame NDC or Kwambizuka Krasa. You are the majority. Minority no ono ni so so. Enti the obey be a critical or be stable governance obey. Obey. I dey say office no be how I use any power. Ha no person ha me. Bubu nu egu aso manfi nipa no. Ba wo kasa wo kodi na chi a. Ana ya mpanimfo bu bebi o say ukoto say bodam sebi. Udware na say e kan say. Sababu mo na muka ni so. Say udware na bodam ni ebe yi
untumri kan na chi.
Wetumri kan. That is the whole issue.
So be sure wa hu de sebi.
What I said.
Sure.
It's a majority no should just calm down. Me I think said the reason why they chose Papa no ye chair no nyina ne say he was obia the one or tie nka sa pepe na committee ne be den ebeye. And I really enjoyed Sam George and a kind of discussion. The way Sam George was very articulate, so eloquent, or answering the questions. It was so fantastic. Me, I think that for me, maybe I'm who's all wrong. They say I watched his interview on City. He made some comments about City. Say. On Mombapa, Omoba interview now, they will know how to handle them. And who are these people that he was even talking about? He preempted, he prejudiced the whole action. And to be says here, we can hold him accountable for that. Because one Kwakasa Crampo was sitting now, and Kebia can nobody will attribute this fact to you. Say, maybe an Amosuna side way in Abba. Now, dear Bakwem said, Aka parliamentarians, Nitrima Akahone said, we hear here to Abba, a speaker of parliament.
2020 then.
Yeah, of course, you have just emulated the same thing. Meanwhile, they met in the caucus. Among Caso, side the way they be crying, they be CBU. You were 20 where it was in 2025. Still for
2024, the
Nana area but here Tiani preach about patriotism. Yeah, we are bit to me inculcated that patriotism in the younger ones. You started advocacy. You say you the Ghana flags. Because schools are cochiche and to who are obey me a boy crab Ghana. Now here they penny for a won't obey yes I will cry nanko for crash because the leaders are not showing that kind of patriotism. No,
sure.
You be saying was a dentra. A dear no to me show that patriotism. No, a dear dentra. Is it about parochial interest, selfish interest? And I said, then, we are saying, a privileges committee. Brabe, you are no.
I say, any code of conduct in here, clear. Until code of conduct, no say,